battery's low. Badass. Well, that was an absolutely fantastic first test run of the control module connected to the actual distortion modulator. So let's have a look at what we actually saw going on there. First, we have our IR sensor back, and let's go to run. We see our circle, and we see when I interrupt the IR path, the circle no longer fills. And so that graphic is just going to represent our RPM monitor. There's going to be a wheel with a single hole in it that passes through here, and every time the single hole passes, that'll be a count of 1. And then that's just going to make that, I'm going to invert it so that it's empty when it's down and lit when it's up. And that way it'll appear on the screen to represent the spinning of the wheel on the back of the modulator that we saw flying fast as hell. Next, let's look at our bar graphs here. I'm no longer connected to power, so it won't behave exactly right, but we'll still see most of it. So when I set power level to 50%, we can see here the blue bar fills up to indicate how much I've set for. That little block is indicating the duty cycle that is being pressed to attempt to accomplish that. There would be a black bar filling up if we were accomplishing that, but because I'm not connected to power, it's not. Let me connect it to power. There we go, connected the battery to it. So now we can see the bar, the smallest bar there, the inverting bar, indicates the duty cycle. And then we see our black line indicates that we are fully accomplishing the power setting. Let's go turn it up. Let's shoot for 85%. And we see we're getting pretty close. Duty cycle's not pushing any harder. It's happy with where it's at. Now, we can see the bottom bar here indicates how much power we are applying to the rotor. Now that high run was 50% and that 12 volt battery was almost dead. So imagine that I had it running at 90 or 100% duty cycle. It would have actually absolutely screamed, and then that battery might have popped, honestly. Probably not, but it wouldn't have been healthy for it that close to dead. So we have low, medium, and high, and then when we are set for full power, there is an exclamation point there that illuminates to warn you that, holy fuck, it's really going fast. I believe that's everything that we haven't seen in previous videos. Big progress, big progress.